Hello friends and welcome to My Pizza Fridays. Today we are doing a do-it-yourself project on diamond suspenders. You'll need suspenders, scissors, diamonds, and a hot glue gun. So these suspenders came from Amazon.com for about $6. I tried them on off camera to make sure that I liked the fit. And I'm also testing out the clasps to make sure that they work properly before I begin the project. Once I'm satisfied with that, I'm going to get my strand of diamonds and I'm going to measure them against the suspenders. This is approximately 10 yards. I also got this from Amazon. Once I'm satisfied with measuring the diamonds, I'm going to take my hot glue gun and make little glue lines in sections. One thing to be careful about with hot glue is that it does dry very quickly. That's why you should work in sections. And I'm also taking care not to burn my hands as I position the diamonds so that they don't flip. When they're stretched apart, the diamond strands will flip over. So make sure to take your time. Be careful not to use too much glue at once. It will spill over into your other diamonds and it will make a little spider webbing situation there. I'm also leaving a little space as not to glue the clasps shut. This project took me approximately an hour. I was being lazy, so I did spread this out into 2 days. With this project, I also did use all 10 yards. However, I didn't measure properly on one side of my suspenders, so the diamonds do have a bit of gapping. In which case I did have to cut little remainder scraps to fill the holes. And here's the finished product. Diamond suspenders, very 90-esque. If you like this project, visit mypizzafridays.com, like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.